How to apply multiple transitions between your clips in DaVinci Resolve. Let's get started. Over here in DaVinci I have two clips and currently there's no transition between them. It's just clean cut. So let's add multiple transitions. Navigate to the effects and let's choose zoom in. Place it between them. Okay, we have the first transition. Now it's very crucial to place your playhead between the two of the clips. Select both of the clips and the transition, right click, new compound clip. So let's rename it by the transition name, zoom, but you can do it, it's up to your liking. Great. Now with B blade selected, cut between both of your clip. And let's go A. Now it's time for the second transition. Let's do a slide right. So our clip will slide from left to right side. Drag it and drop it to our clip. Again the same procedure. Select three of them and new compound clip. Let's call it a slide. Keep the playhead here between them. B for blade, A for the selector tool, and let's add the third transition. Let's go with radial. This is more visually appealing, so you will see how the three of them are applied. And one more time, select all of them, new compound clip, radial, radial, great. So let's clear up the effects so we will see it. And there we go, the three transitions together. You can add as many as you want, and the good thing about this, you can always go back. So let's go media pool, and here we have slide, zoom and radial. So if we change our mind, because radial maybe it's too messy here, we can select it, right click and open in timeline, and there we have it. So if we want to change, it's very easy. Just open effects. Instead of radial, let's go with rotate. Rotate 90. So just change it. And there it is, rotating 90 degrees. Clear up the effect, go in media pool, and this is our timeline, the final result. Maybe it's a little bit choppy, but that's because it's not rendered yet. If you like this type of content, please hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.